Tell a friend to 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 tell a friend. Saya Fela House exclusives, authentic news, up to speed. Info no ha enya matrama ko enye polom palam. A serious business for serious people. Ba dwen nyina be say kasekewa. Ye ni agro ha. Ye ma hu de ekode ba de esie. E na ye kamu asem. Edi achiro se orekodo ewa ha nsem pii na eba anopa me de beto manim se Albert Amoa anya lande na obeko training. Yes, I started training. I learned say wa grant interview kura ni kotoko media no aye interview enye asem ketwa ho asem eba crunch meeting enso ekoso between who and who enso ho asem ba den adaje eni posunti share video no na obi enya bi nhwe the page no ho ase the page no ho dance e child eni amansan nyina so record to ewa ha it is straight up yentie interviewer Albert Amoa ne I don't know any second coming ne return to Kotoko no 6 months and wo ba bi di
How is it feeling like being back?
Well, it feels good and it feels like it was a holiday, so I feel good.
Was Kotoko your first option when the option or the chance came for you to go on loan? Was Kotoko the first option? What was the thought process?
Oh, I decided that I want to come back to Kotoko so that I would just finish my own, like everything that I started, so that I'll be okay. That's all.
Last year, your conversation was that you had not won a major trophy or trophy in your career, and then you won the FA Cup. And I know you've not won the league before. Is it part of the decision for you to have returned?
Well, yeah, it's part. So it's part because I think winning the league is also part of like my journey, and I was happy when the time came for me to choose the team that I want to go on loan. So I decided to come back so that we can work hard and claim it.
Looking at the table, your team, Kotoko, sits some points at the top of the table. Do you think with your arrival, together with the quality that we have, we can fight back for the trophy?
Well, I think when you look at the table, it's not over. There are more matches to play, so I think there's nothing to give up. I think we are going to work very hard to make it to the top, as our supporters want us to do so. I'm really happy to be here so that we can work together as a team to achieve what we want.
You left on a very disappointing note after scoring spectacular goals in the first game against Kwara, but in Morocco it was a night to forget. How did you feel that night, losing by that margin, and at the same time leaving your boys? How was it like?
Well, I can't even explain it better because at that particular time we don't know what to do and we don't know how to even respond to some messages that you'll be getting. And for that Morocco game, I think it was our first. Some of us thought it was our first competition, like CAF competition. So I think it's an experience for us to work very hard to be at that level so that we can compete with any other team we meet when we get a chance to go to the competition.
You've proven yourself with the number of goals you scored for Kotoko, even with the injury that you suffered somewhere last season. Now the expectation is you are the go-to person, the striker that everybody is expecting a lot from. You left as that normal, innocent boy who played for Kosovo. Now you are coming as a leader. the weight of expectation? Are you ready to show that?
Well, even some of the messages that we'll be getting, that's, oh, we need you. So it makes you like know that, oh, you can do it, and a lot of people are believing in you, so that you have to just work very hard and just make them happy and prove to them that you can do it. That's all.
Albert, you are welcome, and we wish you the very best and a happy stay as well.
Okay, nti eno Albert Amoah conversation with Asante Kotoko media team as Steve ena ebusa no questions enya some ketwa ebusa se time opportunity ba se opese omudi ni loan no ami Kotoko na ye the first option like Kotoko na ndi club di ka ba ni team ana sesai ena all respond say ya no opese obafie or start project or say no person obafie because or start project with Asante Kotoko it you know who say a chance the man say oba complete that project na or start Kotoko no any teba ya na je say also timi eba na Steve ebusa ni say na okaze onyanyi major trophy ewo ne life yes oboy ma Kotoko GFA Cup ma Open League na tumi agenti sesi a league no watumi aba no say ne sitie e no wachirem so eye ne wish say obetumi age league no bet enye wono nko na ho odin oni ni nuanum a oba beto wo mo no wo betumi akọ mo ho abom na wo betumi age league no na bibia atumi aye kama no ono ankasa kwa no obeweke hard by the points gap with them between Kotoko and Mediama no 8 points in them no Jumaden but obeweke hard na oni ni nuanom aka abonu magi to happy say watumi aba oma be fight ahwe say league no omo ebetumi agea na bibia atumi aye kama ana Steve Obusa ni say omo ko Morocco no work game ni after say yes draw ni move to Libya no at that moment say the city and our say at that moment na ye confusing state at that time no I confused like who dey wonye ne ho and messages are never na ontimi kran respond to messages na eba at that time no I confused na who dey oh yeah but who ni say na omo first international tournament omo being Confederation or Champions League no na omo first international tournament omo ball Confederation mu and omo de koshia Morocco for no ti in fact like omo sua bibi de free mu na ha adwene de bet omo sua bibi de free match say opportunity ba say omo say ko Africa bi ma pay de omo kosua wo ho no mo no omo betumi e de aye bibi na obeka no a sa asem we and now pink can so emphatic eka asem we say omunya chance omo kwa Africa bi ma enye te say de na anom kokọ yes omo accept the fact say North Africa for no wosika esen ye nibi but ye bet try na ye kwa ye yeso na ye de but enkoye total nunguase like the omo first appearance akwakoye wo mi omo kosua a lot according to na pinka omo sua a lot from the esiye ewo work for no Morocco no enene Albert Amoah so can the same thing say omo first time omo the Airbus tournament into omo so koye no omo akosua bebre enye asembweto na Steve Obusa ni say de league no Mediama abiemu na obayini supporters no ehwe na so oba be leading striker no emfa pressure emma ne so and was say in fact messages are onya no as omo motivate no as omo di dan so na emu na bam na emom emaninya ni da so say emanfo wogidie woni se obetimi aye bibi eti serving as motivation as a motivation the man say obana as a messages ahodo e ba ya feel oba ya da se oba enim so betuma bebo am yetim adimu wa ye kama a lot of messages, a whole lot, and we feel say enya ade say demotivating no dabi motivating no we feel say ebebo am watimi ba be ye adwuma bi atumi akonkan kama nti Albert amo agogo aviator of course see how ye training den adaje eni posokra so the nanu ameka chem so be training ne echi no be training Friday we be training so Sunday ojinam against Baseke Holy Stars ojinam Sunday ojinam enya sam keto akra we dem se be ye kotoko Phyllis video be ye kotoko Phyllis ojinam Sunday obejinam Sunday obejinam enya asem ketwa and Albert gidi amanfo mu no ano eden gidi amanfo wono Albert amu mu no ano eden nti Albert so waba na wo hu se de ese oye wati ase wa wunim dada nti we enye kasatenti bia issue ba kwa ba ya me shedan fama no ntomu bi eye kotokoni Olympics issue ni ba se me shedan fama no ntum unim the reason is say kotokoton boy no mo declare mo bi ahu sika ewu enti mekoka ne sei to Olympics for demand there I think omo right me nim as at minim sika potia ewom aye here say yes akay na $200,000 $250,000 $300,000 $350,000 $400,000 aye sa eti me kase metimi de menses me bo akase sika pa poti pa yesia because safudu kukura kwotna I don't know so you report angel say Kasmino or say na ho den no e man crime an intimi mfa sika ne ma abonte minim etime ka bia na makane say it was a lot of issues and about first game Olympics for as you say Olympics say me ka bia na makane say go do ba bia ye ne aye mansam ye din e do ba bia ye nipa na aye mansam ye din because me unye declare I don't think kotoko support abegis can be edi oh ya top player no Olympics can player ya ton is scale me $200,000 ya ni Olympics agreement no omo transfer year wo percentage e bia 30% no ye beti agent fee e dey fee $200,000 no dey be ka ni atemo 30%. I think as simple as ABC because issue mo ton we na the Olympics for no and so be start up no so ye no who say the year can who ya as a declaration no akwa ye problem and nothing about ya assembly by you na meet me for manu to be all can what can say the communication director class will need 2 minutes obey me the figure na ba bonti now who am I say me nya say 2 minutes aba enti ye nyina say nkan keka ne ye keka ye nyina ye nkan ene ye keka na say ye bro nyanumo mate ye say is gonna be the commercial bank and then I mean things bebrebe ase first can team me say me can my confused because commercial bank asema me tititi say me nyampanyifo na kababuso am say ye YouTube ya ye unya drew womo monetization na monetize o me ka tell say fa bank a opese di sika ne fa ho no faka ho ne fama ye it would is our bank no and no bank accounts now they are ma it is kotoko it's kana be kana commercial bank na yese no question is bank ben na kotoko de ma and some na ye confused into me I mean tin ma bi ase because bank accounts ben na kotoko de ma wo minim kotoko bank so kotoko save but say bank minim se kotoko save Access Bank first na Fidelity and so many call Access Bank so minim say commercial Ghana commercial bank e ka ho senso Libya ho ntimi transfer sika emfa ma eyese akwa akodi ha je ensem mumunan na we obeka na obeka ne say mumunan but ya ba no say na akodu akra wokohia say amate fio amakai amate fio okwa akohia amakai amate fio Olympics board chairman em so okwa akohia na wakọ explain niema e de akire no ntina na wa akra okwa explain di akire wo mu ni ade a let me abeta mo atam fenzenzem no da mintimi nka bi because me enyema be bro make of mentiase bank accounts be na kotokode ma Libya for na ne sore no mo kope bank accounts e kutwa sika ne dia to Ghana commercial bank me ye confused eti ase me be kan na makane say ati ase eti sansem no bebrebe ni nyina bi wa metia no ma ye di na ma metwem na me come that so me ka chem say me nsem bebrebe wa metia me mfuma no ntum bi because ebi wo ha me hu ni ti na me hu ni nan ya me hu ni ti na ase no me hu ni nan ati ase ti ese na kwa akra kwa kwesi Olympics na ono makasa whatever ever happen be and then we move Golden Power se brana onfa untu kwan be bia opese okobi odo ko mo amope US ene Canada no momra no onfa monko na bibia enye kama enfa ma Denmark aba e de ama fitafo forklift operators excavator operators enfie 9 contract e na wo be sign so ye fitani we forklift operator na excavator operator no ogitum so be kwa 4 years contract na wo sign na omo age 4 years working visa e the amount of visa ni wu a wo contract na wu that's it asembie ni akire bi eti de tie wo ho eno no wo pay UK and Germany across so bank statement 1 month only bank statement e be take 3 months open single visa bramie gibi ma open so be fa ukunu oyere oba ana wo ma o boyfriend or girlfriend uni aba ma wo dofo bi de ne ko Italy Spain France Holland oba ebe ye ho adwuma na bibia ebo footballers Belarus Romania Albania Slovakia Slovenia Sweden Denmark Norway Serbia France Asia on se mode da ho oba ye dem beko na bibia ebo Premier League clubs first division second division academy for mo pese mo ko ye pre-season tour Europe and Asia mo so mo brand ye fa mo ko dem bedi dem beda bi am be train ni nyina ka package no mo frɛ Reverend Samuel appear 0549198995 0549198995 na mun nakasa office no bantima Giro and about bantima confirm no chair sabia na nimu ho e na office no nto ba ye do beko na bibia ye boko ensuso ewo ho nti eno nso ho asem eno no se mo amopɛ mota akono momra UK kwan dem mota kwan na bi adwuma ba ye do kwa onye stranded ubenya adwuma ye na niema dedi ewo ho ensuso e de amount enti yenko yanim abetamu a sere medical kano training abet training kotoko ebenya ne first shock kwasiara Baba Yara Sports Stadium so this season kotoko enya defeat Baba Yara Sports Stadium na odihunufo we nya asofofo ena eka odihunufo bi ena eka kire me se memfa ntokotokofo anim se kwasiada se mo anya ho adwuma baseke ba be shock me baseke ebe hye kotoko first time this season kotoko is set to lose their first home game this season kotoko to lose first game this season coming Sunday kotoko to lose first game excuse me first game this season Baba Yaya baseke fono meti ha me ya we se onse na nsane ne nya na me ka chem se ma kire me wo nsem bebre ka eso ne wo di hunufo no sa be si ma asem no so no eni na di nkomo bebre na me koba me yi bi di amamo di hia me kese pa ye Sunday game no ni tuwe minim se ma kire already 18 but minim so me na beta be first team ba be share baba yara sports stadium minim se match na din as ya make sure say ye yere ye ho atoto niema wan hwia na baseki aba be draw but me be call the draw na me make no si da bi e win yenim se Johnson Smith baba yara sports stadium oha adwin enti mesere mpanyimfo on the YouTube the timi ye musoro mo condemn YouTube fo nya asem we bete radio so abi ntimi nka asem wo so radio so abi ntimi nka nsa ati ase enti mesere kotoko mpanyimfo se the way a game we city no mamon fa ni agro mamon fa game ni agro mo de match we edi agro a ye beti ani no na mediema e de be 11 points na atum mediema wonu de mediema pese wo de 12 points etum mediema fo aniema omo ye nyina no o pese omo de be 12 points no omo de atum no ma hu se ba bia omo aduro ni de eno anu no kodu america omo ko because nzo de 12 points nya tuma ontimi lusu mako 4 ento aso eno nzo wonso ontimi weni ni nyina eti umade omo ye nyina ne se yentra ya ne yemfa 12 points entum ena omo no kotokoro omo suro enya ada club no mame ka asem tiro me koba me be yi ba ko afim me die ma Gold Stars kotoko aduana ha se kra de me nhyeda mfa ha se nka ho gidigidi se me de ha se kan wa first 5 we se me de ha se kan wa me ba me yi mienu afim ya e be shock you me kwa ba be yi mienu 2 every race ni trust me we be yi mienu afim oh na de me ka se so ogidi e wa se mu nyini ne me se mfa me yi mienu afim race ni na be ka miensa no be ka no radi nyankopon wiase nye desao kra beto be ne dey ye na musa do nye do ye na musa ene ye dey ko enye bete kra etiba seke match no banyifo amoye operations mamu mani anya din na mo fa ne say ye normal baseke de se de ye kwa o mo shock ye no ba be shock you kumase ya me kwa ba